Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with this beautiful idea of making the gift box in hexagonal shape, which I have decorated using beautiful paper quilling flowers. And here I have used a combination of yellow and orange, looking very fresh. So I will share each and every step from scratch, how to create the base box, how to create the lid, how to create the beautiful handmade flower. And also I have kept some gifts inside the box to gift it on Women's Day. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I have created one circle on white color cardstock using 4.5 cm radius, and using same radius I am dividing the circle in 6 equal parts to create the hexagon shape. Now we have to just join these 6 parts together. Then I am cutting the pencil marking and making the hexagon shape. And this is ready. Now to create sides, here I am taking 5.5 by 4.5 cm white cardstock, and from left and from the bottom I have folded at 1 cm. So I am just cutting the corners like this. This is the one flap or one side of the box. And with the same method we need total 6 flaps for 6 sides. Now taking back the hexagon shape, and one by one I am going to stick these flaps to construct the box shape. First attaching all flaps from bottom and then connecting with each other through the left folded flap. So this is done. Now from the bottom I am adding one more same size hexagon shape for the finishing look. And the base box is completely ready. Then to create lid, here I have prepared one more hexagon using 4.7 cm radius, and the flaps which is 2.5 by 5.7 centimeters. Again from right and bottom I have folded at 1 cm. So just like we created the base, I am going to construct the lid. And the lid is also ready. Now I am decorating the edge of lid using this beautiful pattern paper strip, which is 1.5 cm wide. and also decorating the top of the box using designer paper hexagon. So the lid is ready and I am decorating the base box using yellow color cardstock from outside. Now I'm putting the lid on the box and this is fitting perfectly. Nice and sturdy box is completely ready. Now I'm decorating the edge of the lid using 3 mm half cut pearls. So using B7000 glue I'm decorating it. And this is completely ready, looking very gorgeous, isn't it? Then on the edge of the lid, here I am decorating using silver glitter paper strip. And the bottom of the box I am decorating with this beautiful border design which I have cut on orange color cardstock. And the beautiful box is completely ready. Now it's time to start with quilling flowers. So to create my first flower, here I am taking my comb and passing yellow color strip through this, folding little bit from top, add glue, connect it like this. And then from top and from the bottom we have to just create the loops, and each time adding a next loop you have to connect it through the glue from back side. And with the same way we have to create 5 loops on top and in the bottom. Securing the end using glue, and we have 5 loops on both the sides. Now taking out the design from comb, and it should look like this. Then just pinching exactly in the center and folding my petal. Then wrapping this whole petal using white color strip. And this is ready. Very pretty. Then here I am taking one strip of orange color and wrapping it around the thick pen to create the ring shape. Taking out the ring, secure the end using glue and just pinch on both the ends to create the leaf shape. Then inside this leaf I am sticking my petal which we have created. And with the same way I have prepared 6 more petals. Now I am joining all 7 petals to create the flower. Like this. Now to create the center of the flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of white color in 3 mm and making one small cone shape. Add glue inside the cone, and with the same way I am going to attach total 6 cones and 1 cone in the center to create the complete center of the flower. And it should look like this. Then I'm sticking it exactly on top of the yellow flower. Then between each petal I am going to add some small light orange color petals which are made using 1/4 strips. These are simple leaf shapes. And the super gorgeous center flower is completely ready. Then for the next flower, that is the filler flower, here I am taking half strip of peach color and making one Malaysian flower petal. Adding light orange strip to this, making the Malaysian flower petal design and just wrapping it around the petal using remaining strip. So the petal is ready. Now I am joining total 6 petals together and creating the flower. In the center of the flower I am adding half cut pearl which is 5 mm, and we need one more these type of flower. Then for the next flower here I am taking 1/4 strip of white color and 1/8 strip of yellow color and making one tight teardrop shape, joining total 5 petals together to make the flower. Adding half cut pearl in the center, and with the same way we need total 4 flowers. Then to create leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color and 1/4 strip of dark sap green color and making one leaf shape. With the same method, I have already prepared lots of leaves. Then taking back my hexagon shaped box and start decorating with handmade quilling flowers. Like this. Then I am adding the sentiment hugs which I have cut on gold mirror cardstock using the die by Dress My Craft. All the supply links are given in description box along with the coupon code. So if you want to buy anything, you can check the coupon codes as well. Then taking a beautiful organza ribbon and sticking it in the front part of the box just to decorate the box a little more. And I'm sticking it using B7000 glue. And the super gorgeous, very sturdy hexagon box is completely ready. You can put any kind of gifts inside this. I'm adding some accessories, some cosmetics, and I'm going to gift it to my best friend in this upcoming Women's Day. but you can use this kind of box for any kind of other occasions as well. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments eagerly. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.